Yeah, hi. This is Juan Carlos Katigbak. So I'm gonna be showing a demo. I'm gonna showcase my sports management injury risk um, prediction app. So this app it's built using Django, and it's supposed to help players analyze their injury risks. Players like from the sport of basketball, um, and this would be based on their past performance, injuries, and workload. Okay, let me share my screen to show how this application is activated. Give me a second. Okay, so first, I have to um, activate my virtual environment. So in this case, I'm using a MacBook computer. So that means the commands will be uh, in Mac. So I'm gonna open my terminal. Give me a second again. Okay, so this is my terminal. Just waiting for it to load. Taking a while. Sorry. Okay, here we go. So in this case, I put this command because my file is in the desktop, and this is the name of my file. It's yeah, and then I'm gonna run the server. So okay, so just waiting for it to run. Okay, it's taking a while. Sorry. Okay, here we go. And now I'm gonna open a browser. Okay, let's just expand this one. Okay, so I type localhost. So yeah, so this is the landing page. So this is the sports injury risk predictor. An application uses machine learning to predict the risk of sports injuries in a sport like basketball. So since this is still a proof of concept, um, I'm still like trying to figure out which machine learning model to use. So um, in the meantime, I'm using something close to the algorithm decision tree. So it's gonna predict if a player is a low, medium, or high risk based on their performance, their their age, and their past injuries. So let me log in. So in this case, I'm let me just close this one. Okay. So so since I'm the super user, I'm gonna put my name, password, login. So right now we're in the prediction page. So this is like a density plot. So as you can see, there's no there's nothing yet because we'll be adding like players. So if I click on add player here, I have to add at least 3 players so that we can see a plot come out. So let's add. Give me a second. Okay, I just have a list. Let me just pull out my list. These are players from the NBA. I'm gonna type in their names. Position, their height in inches is this guy is 79 inches. His weight is 230 pounds. He's 26 years old. So far, he's played 923.53 minutes. Average field goals. He shot the ball 549 times. Injuries the last 3 years, 18. He's actually quite injury prone. And then total injuries throughout the course of his career. He's been playing for, I think, about 7 years, 35. So if I say player, it's gonna save here because my app has a SQLite, so there's a database to store all these players that we add as well as users that we can add. So let me add two more players. Let's put I'm sure you know who LeBron James is. Okay. His height in inches is 81 inches. His weight is 250. He is actually 41 years old. He's been playing for 20 years in the NBA. Average minutes played, 1,101.52. Field goals shot. He shot 565.67. Injuries. He hasn't had injuries in the last 3 years, but for his career, he's had 53 injuries. So safe player. And then one last. So as you can see, they're both predicted high based on their total injuries and also like the minutes played. Even this guy who's 26 years old, he's supposed to be young, but he has a high injury risk. Let's try to look for someone who might not have injury risk. Let's try this guy. Okay, he plays like a guard, which is usually the guards are like the smaller players in basketball. So they're always moving around. Okay, height is 77 inches. His weight is 197. Age, he's 27 years old. Average minutes played 654.64. Average field goals, 212, 212, 212. Um, so far, he's had 3 injuries the last 3 years, for a total of 3 save. And here we are. So my app predicted that he has he has a medium injury risk. So if you could see here, the the plots are on the medium and the high to show um, you know the injury risks. And then let me try to add a new user just so you could see how this app works. So let's log out, and then we'll add a new user. We go to register here. Let's put in my daughter's name. Password. Password again. Login. Okay. So we have to go to view predictions. And then like earlier, there's no density plot. So we have to add at least 3 players. That's how the system is, just so there's a comparison. So let's put like random names. Let's put let's put her. Let's say she plays guard. Her height, let's say, is say 20 inches. Oh no, let's say 30. Weight, let's say 100. Age, let's say 12. Let's say 100. Maybe 100 here. She's never been injured, so save. We add two more players. Let's put her mom. Just for sample sake. Um, height is let's say 50 inches. Then weight, let's say 190. Then age 40. Average minutes, let's say 600, 700. Let's say she got injured 3 times for a total of 3. Save. And then let's put me, for example. So I'm center. Let's say my height is 60. I'm not sure. Weight, I'm pretty heavy right now. Age, I'm old. Average, well, I did play a lot. So 700. Field goals, let's put 400. Got injured once the last 3 years, and total injuries in the course of my life, 10. Save. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna log out now, and I just want to end with so since this is still wait, give me a second. Yeah, so I just want to end by saying that since this is a proof of concept, there's more machine learning, that I need to test, because there's a lot. Then once I find it, um, I'll be able to train the data, and we'll have something that can predict better. Thank you.